welcome back to our channel.
Or if you're new here, welcome.
And thank you for joining us.
I'm Kathleen.
And I'm Kim.
And we make videos about sustainable style,
Clean beauty,
and conscious living.
so if that sounds like something you're interested in, hit the subscribe button. It's the end of May, which is Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month. And we thought we'd celebrate by making vegan versions of our favorite Filipino meals from our childhood.
Let's get to cooking.
Here are the ingredients for all the food we're about to cook. What's on the menu, Kathleen?
So we're gonna be making vegan lumpia, and then we're gonna make some pancit,
My favorite.
and then we're gonna make adobo, chicken adobo.
Oh, I don't have any rice cooked.
How do you not have rice?
I have rice. I think I have rice. I just don't have any cooked rice.
Okay, well I guess we'll have to cook rice.
What's your method for measuring the water? The finger method. But so you put your finger until you hit the rice, or you put your finger until you hit the pan? So you hit the pan first. Okay, this is my finger method. I don't know if it's actually true. And then you take your thumb and you mark where the rice hits where the end of the rice is. Okay. Then you pick your finger up, and then you just sit it on top of the rice, and then the amount of water should touch your thumb. That's how you know. Which it does. Okay, so that's how you know you have enough.
Good boy. Good boy. Wait. Okay, eat it. Good job.
Good job, baby.
So while she's still cutting her carrots, I'm gonna start on the chicken adobo, and the chicken substitute is gonna be jackfruit.
Stir it all up.
So I just finished making the pancit, not pancit, I just finished making the lumpia filling, and it's just the Beyond Meat ground beef with some carrots and onions and garlic and some soy sauce. And me and Kim had an argument about whether you cook the filling before you roll it and fry it, and she said you have to cook the filling. I do not cook the filling before I roll it in the lumpia wrapper and fry it. We gonna cook it. We gonna cook it. I used to make lumpia quite often. Not no more. You're putting too much. No,
I'll be quiet.
I'll be quiet.
Oh my god, look at that. That is pretty.
That is pretty freaking good.
It's good. She a little thick.
Not a rip in sight.
Oh, you do that and then you roll it. Oh, okay.
That's the one.
Okay, so you're doing the
veggies for the pancit.
Let's take a look. Let's take a look.
Washing up some vegetables. Noodle. Use your noodle. Noodle. Do the noodle dance.
I don't.
Do you remember that show?
I don't know that.
PB&J Otter?
Oh, right.
I'm excited. The fruits of our labor. We got ourselves a little feast. Okay, so this is our vegetable pancit. And then this is the chicken adobo made with jackfruit. And then over here, can you see it, is the lumpia. Hold it up, yeah. the lumpia. I may came out a little have overcooked it. Too much vinegar. And I don't like the consistency of the jackfruit. I've been dreaming of pancit. Have you?
Yeah.
I've actually never made pancit before. I always just buy it already made. Let's see.
Yeah, you insist that mom has never made pancit.
I don't think we have.
She always gets one of the aunties to make it. Our mom is good at cooking sinigang. She makes mean sinigang. She makes really good adobo. And she makes really good arroz caldo? Yeah, she makes a no, the fish that she like puts hot oil on top. I don't know what it's called. I don't know what that with like this thinly sliced ginger on top too, and then you pour the hot oil over it. I don't know what it's called. Surprisingly though, our mom does not make Filipino spaghetti. She has never. We had never even had Filipino spaghetti until we were like grown. In college. Lumpia. Nice and hot. It is pretty hot. Will I burn my taste buds next? I should pick one from the bottom.
I'll eat it since I burnt it. Look how burnt it is. Hot. Hot.
Hot. I don't like the Beyond
meat.
If it were Impossible meat, I think it would have been better.
When was the last time we went to the Philippines?
2019? Or 2018? It was for mom's birthday, right? Was that your favorite trip to the Philippines?
No, you know, my favorite trip to the Philippines was when we
went
were
for Christmas.
Yeah, we went for Christmas. I think we were like, how old were
17?
we? 17 or something like that. 17 or 18.
It was just magical.
I always say that's like the best Christmas I had.
Even though Kathleen got possessed by a spirit, a dead spirit of our family.
What had happened was, we're in a foreign country. I ate something I clearly should not have ate, and so I got sick. We did, so we went to Baguio, and then we went to Sagada, and then in Sagada, I got sick. And all of my aunties said that one of our recent family members had passed away who lived in Baguio. She was using my body to take her home to Sagada. And when we got to Sagada, she wouldn't leave my body, and that's why I was getting sick. So they decided to purge me of the spirit.
And I just want to also add into the story that our mom is a registered nurse, and our aunt is a registered nurse, and so we have two medical professionals looking Kathleen dead in the eye, telling her she is possessed instead of having the stomach flu.
Yeah, instead of having some sort of intestinal parasite because I drank the water. Like, I think I had a drink that had ice in it, which you're not supposed to do. And the exorcism wasn't like, you know, like a Catholic exorcism. It was like a, I don't know. They were chanting.
Spiritually, yeah, you don't know what they were saying.
They were chanting in a foreign language and rubbing oil on my stomach and lighting candles and blowing them out. It was an experience.
Yeah,
it was an experience.
A trip that my husband went on was like, it was a little different. We were just there to see family members, so my husband didn't really get to.
And you know what? You got sick.
I did.
Did you get an exorcism? Did they purge you of spirits?
No. I got to stop the bus in the middle of the night and walk into some random person's house and absolutely destroy the toilet. I would rather have an exorcism over that. We stayed at Camp John Hay because mom is like obsessed.
Why?
I guess that's like the best place in Baguio. I don't know. People who live in
the
Baguio,
military base?
Yeah. If you live in Baguio or if you've been, like, is Camp John Hay the best accommodations in, like, the best place to stay? I don't know. According to our mom, it is. What's your favorite Filipino dish?
Oh my god, that's what I was going to ask you.
Get out of my head!
Sinigang.
Or lumpia.
Sinigang.
Not with lumpia, but...
And I like mine
sour. Like extra sour.
I also like pande ube.
Oh yes. Pande ube.
We're gonna have that next.
We didn't cook it, but we did buy some.
Mm-hmm. Do you know how to say delicious in Tagalog? Salamat. I don't know. No, I don't know. What is it? Masarap? Oh, is it? Oh, look it up. Tell me if I'm right or wrong. Ugh.
In which one? Tagalog or Ilocano?
I think it's Tagalog. See, our mother never taught us the language. And now we're trying to play catch up.
How do you say let's eat?
In Tagalog?
Ilocano.
Magan.
I only know the things that mom says over and over and over.
Sie!
And I don't even know if it's Tagalog or Ilocano, so I don't know what language she's speaking. So I could just be mixing it up.
I know I said I didn't like the lumpia, but for some reason I want another piece of lumpia.
That's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Comment your favorite Filipino food down below if you have a favorite. If not, this month, AAPI Heritage Month would be a great month to try some Filipino food. It's so good, I promise you guys. Hey, thanks so much for watching.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.